In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safeguard your data using column locking on Monday.com. In any collaborative workspace, ensuring the integrity and security of your data is paramount. Platforms like Monday.com are incredibly powerful for team collaboration, but with great power comes the need for robust data protection. Column locking is a vital feature that allows you to prevent accidental or unauthorized changes to critical information within your boards, giving you peace of mind and maintaining data accuracy. This simple yet effective tool helps maintain the integrity of your workflows, especially when multiple team members are interacting with the same board. By restricting who can edit certain columns, you can safeguard important metrics, status updates, or other crucial data points from unintended modifications, ensuring that your team always relies on accurate information. To begin the process of safeguarding your data, the first step is to navigate to the specific board on Monday.com where you wish to apply column locking. Once you're on your desired board, you'll need to locate the column you want to protect. Every column on your Monday.com board has its own set of unique configurations and options. To access these, simply hover your mouse over the header of the column you intend to lock. You'll then see a small but very important icon appear: the three-dotted line. This icon is your gateway to a range of column-specific actions and settings. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options relevant to that particular column. This is the initial point of interaction for managing your column's behavior and settings, so it's a crucial first step in securing your data. Once you have clicked on the three-dotted line icon in your chosen column, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options related to that column's management. From this menu, your next action is to click on Settings. The Settings option is where all the customizable features and controls for that specific column reside. Think of it as the control panel for your column. By clicking here, you are indicating that you want to adjust how the column behaves, what data it can hold, and who has permissions to interact with it in certain ways. This step opens up a deeper level of customization, allowing you to fine-tune the column's functionality to better suit your team's needs and data security requirements. It's a central hub for configuration, so accessing it correctly is key to proceeding with column locking. Now that you've accessed the column settings, you'll be presented with a range of options. Among these, you'll find the specific feature we're looking for to protect your data: Restrict Column Editing. This option is precisely what it sounds like: a powerful tool designed to limit who can make changes to the data within that particular column. By clicking on Restrict Column Editing, you are effectively activating a protective layer over your column. Once enabled, unauthorized users or even regular team members will be prevented from altering the column's content, safeguarding it from accidental overwrites or malicious changes. You might be given further options to specify who exactly can still edit, often defaulting to board owners or specific administrators, depending on your Monday.com setup. This ensures that crucial information, such as financial figures, project deadlines, or compliance data, remains consistent and reliable across your team. Implementing this restriction is a quick and effective way to enhance your data's integrity and maintain accurate records within your Monday.com workspace.